Hi everyone. So today is Tuesday and 19th of December. It actually settled above 253 clearly. The first candle was quite bullish, and the following candle, like 940, 945 candle, was not that good. But at 10 o'clock, I always talk about 5 minutes candle, okay? So at 10 o'clock, the candle is quite bullish, and it actually clearly rejected to go down at 10 o'clock, and it went up. So 10:35 candle was totally thick red candle, but it was above the VWAP line, so it actually rejected again and it went up. So it was supposed to go and touch the yesterday's highest point, and that point is 258.69 or something like that, but it did not reach that far. It reached to 258.29. That was the highest point for today so far. After that, at 11:10, there is a quite a red candle, and it was quite obvious that people will take their profit and come out. But the thing is, I don't really think it's gonna be a reversal and market gonna go down. I do not really think so. It has all the potential and the news and everything. I think market should follow the trend. It's right now it's a bull trend, and I think it should follow the bull trend and go at least above 261. Maybe it will touch 264 in the next couple of days. Even if there is a little pullback to 249 or 251, that is quite normal. That is very normal in this situation. And from that pullback, it should at least go to 261 or 264. That's what my analysis is. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think it already settled above 253 quite well. So thank you for watching.